Sorry.
Tetris.
Can I have that?
Tetris. Is that the one with the building?
Alright, now, give me my black marker. Maybe stop covering the bag.
I'm not. I don't need to. I asked Ellie to pick it up. Grab that black marker, Daddy.
You have one? There's no more surprise bags?
No.
Kathy's bag fit.
Where's Kathy's bag?
Kathy has her shit.
Alright, we'll put this in the front seat. Give me that.
I reckon that she came with more stuff and lots of stuff.
Alright, give me now my sneakers.
Both of these?